In 1943, during World War II, Owen J. Baggett was aboard a B-24 bomber over Burma when disaster struck. His plane was shot down, forcing him and his crew to parachute to safety. But the danger wasn't over. A Japanese fighter circled back, ready to pick them off. Baggett, thinking quickly, played dead. As the enemy pilot approached with his cockpit open, Baggett pulled out his pistol and fired. Miraculously, he hit the mark, becoming the only person in history to down a plane with a handgun. Baggett survived the war, and his act of bravery remains one of the most incredible feats in military aviation history. Now that's a story worth telling.